Have you ever stopped to wonder why your life is the way it is? Not just the big things, but the small ones. The way a single choice leads to an unexpected consequence. The way a chance encounter changes the direction of your story. What if I told you that every effect you've ever lived through was once a hidden cause set in motion long before you noticed it? Acti, the invisible web, 0:30 to 5 o'clock. Every moment of your life is connected. Every thought, every word, every action, like ripples moving across a still pond. Each choice spreads outward. Sometimes the ripples return in minutes. Other times, years pass before the wave circles back to you. We like to think life is random, that things just happen. But if you look closer, you'll see a web, an invisible lattice where causes and effects move like currents of wind. Storytelling, personal reflection. I once knew someone who carried anger quietly, like a shadow pressed into his chest. He believed no one could see it. Yet, his words were sharp, his tone heavy, his presence restless. Slowly, without noticing, his relationship strained. Friends drifted. Opportunities faded. He thought life was unfair. But in truth, he was simply living out the echoes of what he had set in motion. Cause and effect. Unseen, unforgiving, precise. Act 2. The subtle energies behind the curtain, 5 to 10 o'clock. Here is the truth most people never realize. Cause and effect is not just about actions. It is about energy. Every intention carries weight. Every unspoken thought, every quiet emotion, they ripple through the fabric of your life. When you carry fear, it draws certain paths toward you. When you carry trust, doors open you never imagined. The world outside bends in response to the state within. And yet, most of us move unconsciously. We scatter causes like seeds in the wind, then wonder why the harvest feels unfamiliar. Philosophical pause. Think about it. The arguments you regret. The opportunities you lost. The moments of joy you didn't expect. Trace them back, and you'll always find a cause. A choice. A thought. An energy. The hidden method is awareness. To pause before you plant. To notice the seed in your hand before it grows into something you never wanted.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring content every week.